Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Delayed but not denied was the theme as organizers pushed through with the Sterling Gospel Music Awards on Sunday night. The Winners Reveal show was aired right here on TVJ.
And the winner is self-produced hit I Will Follow by Jermaine Edwards.
Jermaine Edwards was the night's big winner, copying the awards for Male Artist of the Year, Local Hit of the Year, and Local Hit Producer of the Year.
Hit Producer of the Year, I am surprised that I won this. I mean, so much great producers in the category.
For the second time around, Rhoda Isabella took home the award for Female Artist of the Year. She also received the award for Album of the Year for her debut album, Kingdom Road.
I'm so grateful that God would have had me on this journey and allowed me to birth a project as weighty as this.
Other awardees were Triton Music with the Healing Project for EP of the Year, Ian I.T. Ellis for MC Extraordinaire of the Year, Surrender Worship Experience for Event of the Year, Smile by DJ Zeal for Video of the Year, and Only You by Christopher Gale and Jermaine Edwards receiving Collab of the Year. Organizer Basilia Barnaby Cuff spoke to E-Prime about overcoming the challenges faced by pulling the show together.
Even though we had initially said we were postponing the event to a later date in the year, we realized that we would not have been able at the time to pinpoint a date because we just don't know what is going to happen as it relates to this coronavirus. And given the time sensitivity of the awards, meaning that we will be entering into a new cycle of the awards, we decided to do a digital version.
Close to 1.2 million people tuned in for the Winners Reveal broadcast, which featured 19 categories and was hosted by Ian I.T. Ellis. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. See you next time.